listening to our favorite song. When you said you love to mess.
Oh my god! Okay.
You still remember how you came in?
Yes.
Well, we're so glad that you're happy.
Oh god, I didn't mean to cry. I'm just so happy.